What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of All Things Driving. If you're new to the channel, I'm your host as always, Rashid White. All right, this story actually comes out of Florida, and this was about 3 years ago. This came up to me. I think it was like a one of these like reels that came up to me on Facebook, and I'm like, it was quite disturbing to me. So it was a librarian. I forgot the city in Florida she was in. She's got into some type of road rage incident with some bikers, and things go south in a real hurry. So let's see what we can actually find out here and break down what happened and some actual lessons here. The Inside Edition video here, and give those guys the credit to this video here, and let's just break this down. Let's see what actually happens.
It began, police say, when 35-year-old Sarah Morales, a pregnant librarian, swerved into traffic and intentionally hit a speeding biker. What followed was a drama that played out in a series of 911 calls.
911, where's your emergency?
This woman hit me with her car and fled the scene, and me and two other people chased her down.
A witness told police that the incident escalated when the biker became aggressive, yelled, and started driving next to the librarian. She, in turn, bumped into the bike. You can hear the panic in Sarah Morales' voice as the bikers follow her to her home outside Orlando.
I'm being followed by 3 men to my home. I told them to leave me alone, and they won't stop following me. They're following me to my house right now, actually.
She's yelling at them to go away, leave her alone.
Sarah's mom, Doreen, remembers her daughter running inside the house and grabbing a gun.
She was probably thinking, if they see I have a gun, they're gonna back off.
When she came back outside, the bikers say Sarah pointed her gun at them. One biker...
Yeah, this is a mistake. I mean, I would just go inside, lock the doors. If they start breaking into the actual house, is one thing. Then you can actually go ahead and just light those guys up. But I mean, I don't know about intentionally hitting her. This seems more like an accident. Most people don't check their mirrors, and we know how motorcycles, how you guys actually do. You guys like to ride between vehicles, drive aggressively. There's a thrill when it comes to motorcycles. And you guys aren't going to convince me otherwise. I drive 10 hours a day. I see you guys all the time driving like effing lunatics, man, literally. So I'm gonna go with this. Like I said, I'm gonna defend this woman over here. Her name is Sarah, I believe. It was a mistake. It was an accident, and the fact that these guys actually followed her home. I mean, women naturally just get nervous, right? They get scared very easily. He's yelling, he's screaming at her. Of course she's actually going to go flee the scene. And I think you're allowed to do that, man. If you have an accident and the person starts like yelling and screaming and threatening you, drive the hell off, man. Get away from that scene, man. Because we see road rage incidents, man, end up in like shootings and stabbings and getting beaten up or beaten to death. So yes, she's allowed to actually really lead that scene. If you're the motorcyclist, if she really did hit you, you got the plate number, just call the police, follow them, and let them handle it, So I just don't understand these people's egos today.
Open fire. You can hear the gunshots on the 911 call.
You followed me to my house!
Sarah was hit 3 times in the stomach and chest.
She was shot. My daughter's been shot. Who shot her? One of the motorcycle drivers. She's pregnant. Dear God, she's pregnant.
Inside the house, Sarah's 11-year-old daughter, Gianna, was also on with 911.
I heard my mom screaming, and one of the dudes pulled a gun, and I'm just really scared.
This is where she went down, right here.
Sarah's mom says there was nothing anyone could do. She lost too much blood.
Get on the ground!
When police arrived, they put the biker, identified as Andrew Durr, in handcuffs.
That girl tried to kill me. She pointed a gun at me. I'm so sorry. She tried to kill me.
He claimed he shot the pregnant librarian in self-defense. He has not been charged.
I am so shocked that he hasn't been charged. I'm surprised. Oh my gosh. I mean, he was the initial instigator of the whole thing. He followed her home. You know, and I guess Florida does have a stand your ground type of law, but I mean, if you instigate something like this, if you, I don't know. Listen, that was my wife, man. And I don't know if listen, I'm not going to say what I would actually do to Mr. Andrew over here, man. I mean, he would be in a body bag. I just put it to you like that, man. Straight up, it would take all of God to literally like restrain me. All of this is like totally avoidable over here, man. And like the financial fallout from him is just going to be insane. He had to pay a defense attorney probably, to get a lawyer to explain to him the actual use of force laws. And I'm pretty sure this family is going to sue him. And if I was on a jury, this is going to be a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. I'm talking about 15, 20 something $million. And yeah, I would definitely, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna follow up on the story in let's say in a civil court type of hearing. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to be found guilty. He instigated the whole thing. It was a total misunderstanding. He was aggressive. He was the agitator. And this is totally avoidable. So I will wrap this video up. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share the video. And when you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.